Have you ever pondered the journey your food takes before it lands on your plate, or the fate of what remains uneaten? As you savor your meals, you might not realize that a third of all food produced globally goes to waste. It's a staggering fact, isn't it? Food wastage isn't just about the uneaten food itself, but also the resources that went into its production. Every wasted morsel translates to squandered water, energy, and labor. It's a silent crisis that impacts us all, from our wallets to our planet. Here's a fact that might shock you. If food waste were a country, it would be the third largest greenhouse gas emitter in the world, following China and the United States. Each year, about 1.3 billion tons of food are wasted globally. That's enough to feed all the hungry mouths in the world several times over. Now picture this. 1 in 9 people around the world go to bed hungry every night. Meanwhile, in the United States alone, nearly 40% of the food supply goes to waste. That's the equivalent of throwing away $65 billion annually. It's a heart-wrenching paradox, isn't it? There's a significant environmental toll as well. Food waste consumes a quarter of all water used by agriculture and requires cropland area the size of China. When it ends up in landfills, it releases methane, a potent greenhouse gas with 25 times the global warming potential of carbon dioxide. It's clear that food waste isn't just a personal issue, but a societal one. It touches on economic, environmental, and ethical dimensions. We're not just wasting food, but the labor of those who grow it, the resources used to produce it, and the potential to feed those in need. The irony is that while we waste so much, there are millions who go hungry every day. In a world where resources are finite, it's crucial that we become more conscious of our consumption patterns. In conclusion, food waste is a gargantuan issue with far-reaching implications. It's about more than just what goes uneaten on our plates. It speaks to our values as a society, our respect for resources, and our commitment to a sustainable future. Remember, every morsel matters. Even small changes in our habits can make a big difference. It's time we reevaluate our relationship with food and recognize the true cost of waste. Because after all, food is more than just a meal. It's a precious resource, a labor of love, and a fundamental right for all.